Start. The people of India gave unto themselves a resolution to constitute India into a sovereign, socialistic, secular, democratic republic with a purpose and object to secure to its citizens justice in all spheres, liberty in belief and expression and equality of status and opportunity to promote fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Stop. This is what the preamble to the Constitution of India says in explicit words. Stop. Dignity of an individual irrespective of the status, religion, class and community to which he or she belongs is of paramount consideration to the state and its instrumentalities. Stop. An unqualified effort on the part of the state to assure the basic need of an individual is a constitutional obligation. Stop. Secularism in a democratic system is an extended principle of assured equality. Stop. The Constitution is the apex law and is above all other of its kin. Stop. Laws, whether they are enacted by the state or the center within the sphere of their legislative jurisdiction, and the customary or personal laws, all must give way to the supreme law of land, the Constitution of India. Stop. All other laws must flow in committee to the constitutional law, and all laws must be subject to the provisions framed, protections provided, and limitations imposed under the Constitution. Stop. The Constitution in our democratic system is the veritable precept to all other law, irrespective of their origin and the authority legislating. Stop. Para. The term secularism being one of the basic structures of the Constitution of India has a possible perversive meaning and connotation in the entire social and legal setup of our country. Stop. Secularism is the belief that the state, morals, education, etc. should be independent of religion, says G.J. Holyoake's System of Social Ethics within bracket refer the Chambers 20th Century Dictionary bracket close. Stop. Para. Section 125 to 128 in Chapter 9 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 hereinafter referred to as the code are self-contained. Stop. Code in a code. Stop. In other words, a full self-contained procedure has been provided for a wife, divorced or not, to claim maintenance from her husband and other relations where the person having sufficient means neglects or refuses to maintain the wife or his legitimate or illegitimate children, married or not, who are unable to maintain themselves. Stop. The purpose of these provisions is to provide immediate means of subsistence to the applicant before the applicant is withered away by the hard ways of life and realities for lack of minimum means. Stop. These provisions universally apply to all the applicants irrespective of the community, caste, or creed they belong to. Stop. A divorced wife 2 could raise a claim and is entitled to receive maintenance. Stop. If she satisfies the basic ingredients of these provisions contained in the code and her claim falls in line with the settled principle of law. Stop. Para. We have opted for secular republic. Stop. Secularism under the Constitution means that the state does not owe loyalty to any particular religion and there is no state religion. Stop.